Hello from 11th hour. This video is to give you a small tour of our app Contactless Menu. In 2020, we all witnessed the world was shaken and stormed just by a tiny virus. After this pandemic, tourism industry is facing a major downfall. Public places are very dangerous right now, and among them restaurants and cafes are the most. So we decided to make the process of dining outside completely contactless. We have used React Native Expo for frontend, Node.js and Express.js for backend, and MongoDB for keeping database. This app have two sides, customer side and owner side. Customer will come to the restaurant, will go to his desired table, and one QR code will be available on that table. On scanning this QR code with the scan QR button like this, one camera is launched. On clicking the image, yes, it is appropriate. We can crop the image also, and then one go to menu button is available here. After clicking this go to menu button, one menu card will be available of that restaurant. You can see there are multiple options with the price and the name of that item on these cards. We can add any item or we can remove that particular item also. We have added first and the last one. Now we can view our cart by clicking on this view cart button. We need at least one item to be selected for viewing the cart. After selecting at least one item, we go to the cart. Here we can add the quantity also. We can remove or we can add them. And after writing the table number here, let's just say 56, we can place our order by clicking on this confirm order button. On clicking this confirm order button, you can see our order has been placed and we are redirected to the home page. Now this was the customer side, but what the shopkeeper will do is he or she will log in from here. One login ID will be available to him. This is a hash code, so we have not used any password because it is itself a hash code. Now shopkeeper can log in from this login with shop ID button. After clicking this, we are redirected to all the orders he or she must have faced. Now we can see last order has been attached, table number 56, our selected items, and grand total of 515. Now this list has been put in first in first out manner. So firstmost order will be served firstly. And after serving those orders, shopkeeper can remove these orders by clicking in this received by user button. We can see that after clicking this received by user, that order has been disappeared. If the shopkeeper wants to add any new item in his menu, then he or she can do it by this form. We can write the name of that thing, price, category, image or URL, and add that item by this button. We will show you one example. Uh, 250 rupees, category food, image URL we do not have right now, so we will write one random string. After clicking on this add item button, new item has been added in that menu. We can see that afterwards a customer will be the UI will be available to that customer. So this was our app Contactless Menu.